You probably guessed it. I started here at the Yuzu edition, GR86.
This body kit on this here is optional. Every time they've shown this car, it shows the body kit on this car. It does not come standard. It is optional. It's a love it or hate it thing. A lot of guys like the side skirts here, but not the front or the rear. I'm kind of torn. If I was to go with this kit, I think they make block offs for the exhaust, because as you can see here, these are quad tips. I've heard that the GR quad tip exhaust is drony, and as you know, I have the AWE Touring, and I like what I have. I'm going to stay with my Touring. So if I got this kit, of course, you know, you have to have it paint matched. So there's an expense there, and hope that the color comes out right. I'm guessing since it's OEM, the body kit wouldn't need any special fitment done. It would just go on. You know, you wouldn't need any body work, I should say, to make it fit. So that's a plus there, but I'm not sure that I like the front. Comment below if I should go with this body kit here. I do like the fact that it's GR badged. The interior's done a different take this year. Rather than stripe the leather in yellow, they went and put yellow stitching and little yellow dots in the Alcantara, or Alcantara, however you say that. Very nice.